Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload carousel images to your Bigcommerce store. Carousel banners help us highlight promotions, featured products, and important announcements right on the homepage. Let's get started. On the Bigcommerce dashboard, we go to the storefront. To access the storefront, just click the button on the upper right corner. Once there, click again to open the website. Now, just click this. We will design the website so we can add the carousel. To add the carousel, we just need to click somewhere on the page and then drag and drop the hero banner. Place it where you want. Once you slide it in, you can set up the banner layout. Click quickly, then go to Layers and under Layout, choose how many layouts you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 6. You can also pick a column layout and adjust the size here. You can add the margin fix and also the playground. You can put an image on each layer. If you want images on second layer, just go to second. This is where you upload a carousel image. If you want to use 3 columns, select column 3. To upload an image, click the column link. Go to column 2, and then slide an image here. It will bring up the image. For column 3, select column 3 and then slide in the image again. It's simple to upload Bigcommerce Carousel images. With these banners in place, we can catch visitors' attention and promote key offers easily.